Yo, YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This video today is going to be showing you how to get mods in Animal Company. This is working in 2026 and this actually uses no PC and no Discord, so you can literally just use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain an Animal Company promo code, and you redeem it in game and it is going to unlock a secret mod menu. So this is like a developer mod menu that gives you tons of features. So yeah, it's going to give you full access to the Animal Company mod menu. So before I show you this, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, this is basically going to allow you to spawn all items. You can get no clip, fly, custom platforms. You can even teleport guns and stuff. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is use your mobile phone. Like I said, this is a no PC method and no Discord method. You just need to use a mobile internet browser to obtain this Animal Company promo code, and then you can redeem it in the Animal Company computer in game. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. So it is very important you type it correctly, so you can copy that down there, guys. But basically, Crash Coupons is a game code website. And they have loads and loads of pages, so it will take you too long to just scroll through and try and find the Animal Company promo codes page. So I do recommend using the search bar and in there just typing in Animal Company, and it should pop up. There you go, Animal Company. So just navigate your way to this codes page, guys. And then what you're going to want to do once you reach this page, and by the way, you can see these are really popular codes. Thousands of people have rated them 5 stars. So you just need to scroll down and look for the mod menu code. Get to the mod menu for free in Animal Company. And this is a limited promo code, guys, that's going to unlock a developer mod menu. So this is no third party install or anything like that. This is literally a built-in mod menu, and this is going to unlock it. So as you can see, you need to unlock your Animal Company promo code, and that is because these are limited. There's 302 codes remaining at the time of recording this video. So to unlock your Animal Company mod menu promo code, you've got to click on this button and just follow the instructions on this screen here. Don't panic, it only takes about 5 minutes to do this. You just need to complete 2 of the free offers below. So basically, there's going to be a list of tasks on this page once you scroll down. And as you can see, they're all completely free. You just need to follow the unlock instructions below each one and complete 2 of them. So as you can see, there is a bit of text that tells you what to do. And if you fully complete 2 of those, it's going to send you back to this page on Crash Coupons. Obviously, I've skipped forward, but if you do everything correctly, your Animal Company promo code will be fully unlocked and you can grab it from the box there, claim it in game, so you redeem it in the Animal Company computer, and that is going to get mods in Animal Company. So that is how to do it, guys. This is working in 2026. Just head on over to Crash Coupons and navigate your way down to the mod menu promo code. So yeah, let me know if you need any help. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Peace out.